This video is about removing fake human verification alerts that are associated with the website News-sifutu.cc. Of course, the name of this website does not really make any sense. The website, though, is extremely malicious. It tries to actually force you into clicking on this special allow button, which is integrated into the website. But to click on allow is strongly not recommended. If you do that, the browser will be hijacked and contaminated with numerous advertisements that will be popping up in the right part of the screen. So I have clicked on allow button simply for the demonstration purposes in order to let you know how to deactivate these ads. Go to the menu, go to settings, privacy and security, site settings, then permissions and notifications. At this point, pay careful attention to all the sites that are allowed to send notifications. If you find this News-sifutu.cc, you should remove it from the list. And also remove other junk sites from this list. Finally, my recommendation is that you also investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The site to get its latest version is combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the application, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.